single day. No fancy words, just real stuff that works. Okay, let's go. First up, hi everyone, I'm Krishnamohan Yagneswaran. I'm a solo developer. That means I build, test, fix, launch everything alone. And honestly, it can get overwhelming. But I found some tools that really help me stay sane. Today, I'm gonna share 3 tools that I use every single day. No fancy words, just real stuff that works. Okay, let's go. First up, Notion. Notion is my second brain. I use it for everything daily task, roadmap, bug notes. Even my random 2 a.m. ideas go in there. What I love, it's all in one place. I don't have to switch between 5 apps just to remember what I'm building. And no, you don't use 100 templates, just a simple to do list, a few pages for planning, that's it. If I don't open Notion in a day, I probably didn't do any work. Next, Visual Studio Code or just VS Code. You probably guessed it, this is where all the magic happens. I code everything here backend, front end, even quick notes in Markdown. It's clean, fast, and full of cool extensions like GitHub Copilot. That thing saves me hours. One small tip, use the live server extension if you're working on HTML, CSS, game changer. For example, if you're going to try some new roadmap or like you are creating a documentation for your game. Some use PDF for just Notion template. I also use HTML to remember everything. It's because Notion you have to you need internet, right? But if you just keep it in HTML CSS, you don't need internet. You could just click on it, it will just open it. That's why I tried other editors, but VS Code is the best option. And finally, third tool, GitHub. This is my code home. Even though I'm solo, I still use branches, commits, and pull requests. And since I'm a software developer, GitHub is a master account if you're a software developer. Why? It forces me to think clearly about what I'm changing, and if something breaks, I can always go back in time. I always use GitHub project. Sometimes it is a simple Kanban code. I also use GitHub to store the game code because I don't have to write every single time. I could just go to GitHub and download it. Oh, an automatic backup? Yes, please. I don't want to lose my weekend for a bad file delete. So yeah, those are my top 3 files. Notion for planning, VS Code for building, GitHub for tracking and saving my work. They're not flashy, but they work every day. And as a solo dev, that's what's matter. Simple tools to stay out of your way. If you're just starting out or juggling projects on your own, try this out. You might all be using them, but the way you use them can all make the difference. Let me know in the comments what are your go-to tools as a solo dev. And if you found this tool helpful, hit like and subscribe. I got more stuff like this coming soon. Also, I linked my simple Notion setup below. You can duplicate tweak it for your own workflow. Super light, no fluff. Alright, back to coding. See ya. Thank you for watching.